Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So a little different video today. I guess it's bring your kids to work day. So it's a Saturday here, a nice Saturday actually, and I had a few customers this morning, so I brought the kids out with me. Eli's here stacking wood, and Lukey's wandering around here. Can you say hi? My mom's here watching him. She doesn't want to be on the video, but she got on anyway. So Eli has a little pet project here he's working on. He's stacking some firewood. And Eli, do you want to tell the folks why you're stacking firewood?
To make money for model trains.
Yeah, Eli and track. Eli has gotten into the model train hobby, and for quite a while now he's been in love with trains. So this Christmas Santa Claus brought him an O-gauge train set, and now we're working on building a layout. And my dad actually came up with the idea to make a deal with him. We have all this log length firewood that we cut and logged here off of my property, and we pulled it out, and the deal was my dad cut and split the firewood. I built the rack for him to stack it in. Eli does the stacking, and I'm going to sell and possibly deliver, if necessary, the firewood. And Eli's going to get all the proceeds to go towards his train layout. So that's a pretty good business deal. I wish I could get a deal like that. No risk and all profit. But so he's working here. This rack makes a quart of firewood, and he's getting there. He's almost halfway. This has been a process here over a couple weeks. He works at it little by little. It's tough work for a 6-year-old, but he's doing a really nice job. And we're going to let this season here through the summer, and then this fall I'll probably try to sell it for him. And well, Lukey's doing Lukey things. So you're just
bad Lukey things,
causing mischief. But no, I think it's one of those things. I don't want to get up on a soapbox and preach to anybody, but I think it's important to teach your kids to work. So that's the underlying thing here, is you know, teaching him what the value of money is, and if he wants things, he has to work for them. So, and the other part of it is, you know, Daddy doesn't want to fund the whole train layout. I'm sure some of you know that model trains are pretty pricey. So it's just a nice project overall. He's doing a good job. Are you gonna help, Luke?
Help.
Yeah, I think they're too big for you.
Big.
Are you gonna try?
Yeah.
So this is what we're working on a Saturday morning. So just a quick little video, show you what we got going. Anything else you want to say, Eli?
Bye folks, thank you for the video. If you want to buy some model trains, why don't you try sell some firewood, sell some stuff?
Oh, well, there you go. That's a business idea for anybody out there. You try selling some firewood, but then they're going to compete against us, and we'll all be trying to sell firewood. So anyway, just a short little video. We'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.